Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.25 petrol engine. It really is a nice little engine with a manual gearbox returning up to 54 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 7 and it has a mega low mileage of just over 22,000 miles and comes with a really good service history. This particular colour is called Frozen White and looks in really good condition for age and mileage of the car. As you have a look inside, you've got the seats there, which look in great condition, no wear on those at all. Onto the dashboard, you've got your air conditioning controls with your quick clear front windscreen, and also this car has Bluetooth for your phone as well as a CD player. And then on the driver's door card, you've got electric mirror and front window controls. And opening the tailgate on the Fiesta, you've got the nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have a bit of extra storage and also your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights and the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.